Durgapur Dhanush Welfare Society is going to conduct a mobile photography competition on 19th August 2021 for the celebration of World Photography Day. Theme of the competition is Creative Indoor Photography. Here we have some rules and regulations for our competition. The whole competition is going to be held in online mode. You need to pay a little entry fees amount of 10 rupees as a donation for our upcoming donation drive. The deadline of the competition is 18th of August, time up to 1 pm. Submission will not be accepted once the deadline lapses. Image should not larger than 10 MB. Photo must be in JPEG format. Multiple submission may harm your participation status. You can provide a unique title and description for each image submitted. Make sure that you upload your EXIF metadata information. Make a screen record video of the photo's EXIF data. If you didn't send us the information as mentioned, then your participation will not be counted by us. Upload only original photo. Basic editing including color enhancement, the use of filter and cropping of the photo is not acceptable for this competition. You have to follow our Facebook and Instagram official handle and provide us the screenshot. If you didn't follow the rule, your participation will not be counted. Also, you need to send us your Facebook and Instagram profile name and profile link. Every image uploaded is subject to a moderation process before it becomes visible on the Facebook and Instagram.
Photos that include inappropriate or offensive content or anything like violence are strictly prohibited and will be immediately disqualified.
If your submitted photo will not match with the contest theme, it will not be posted. Here's the payment details. You can donate via Google Pay, Phone Pay or bank transfer. Also provide us the payment ID link. If you didn't send us the link, your participation will not be counted. Payment number 98837249557. How will we choose the winners? We will choose the winners on the basis of creativity and the posts like, comment, share counts. Our creative team will choose first, then the shortlisted photos will go for like, comment, share counts. Each and every approved photograph will be posted on our Facebook and Instagram page. Make sure that your photograph will get more likes and comments and share. This will help you to win. The likes, comments and shares will count till 20th of August 10 pm. The judging panel shall access and determine the winning photos. The result and the winners will be announced on the official website. Winner's name will declare after 20th of August. The prizes. Only the first position holder will get an exciting prize for winning. Also, his or her one favorite photograph will post on our social media handle as a shout out. Second and third position holder will provide the chance to post one of her or his favorite photograph on our social media handle as a shout out. Every participant will get a participation certificate and the winners will get a winning certificate according to their position. For any other details, you can mail us on our official mail ID. We are waiting for your submission.
Wishing you all a very happy World Photography Day in advance. Thank you.